第138届广交会正在火热进行。这一回啊，阿根廷客商 Ramiro 带来了一个采购商团，他们在逛展之余还来逛工厂。
沉浸式体验高能量客商的一天。
Hi, we come here to Foshan to visit a factory. Today we bring about 15 customers. So yeah, we will have a great day.
DND.
Yeah.
DND.
Yeah. So they want all these parts to build the box, to prepare the box, to put the cheese inside the box, and then to make the pallet.
现在客商朋友们正在热烈的交流产品，他们都是芝士和牛奶等产品的生产商，对于这些设备啊，个性化和智能化有很高的要求，也希望广东制造能够满足。
Really interested in all the machines that help us at the end line to package our products to deliver to our clients. All these kind of machines will be very suitable for our factories. We are a group of 8 factories. We need like 40 machines. We have other competitors that has higher production than us. We want to compete, and Soontrue will help us.
Quite. I was very impressed by the size, the different suppliers, and the quality of the products. Very impressed.
Well, I was very surprised about the size of the factory and also how clean and modern it is, especially for this kind of industry that is machinery. I have been coming to China, to the Canton Fair for about 15 years. So many people. You can find Argentinian people everywhere in the Canton Fair. Argentina is opening up for international trade at the moment, so many people are trying to come here to buy new machinery, to renew their own industries and their own factories.
We are satisfied with price, with the quality. Then we have to check the shipping and also but trust with the selling service. We met a lot of very friendly people with a lot of knowledge to share. We're very happy.
然后你看，现在他们都在下单啊，我们从中国买你们的机器啊，你们的 technology 什么的，然后中国也可以从阿根廷买我们的产品，然后是一个 win-win 的一个合作。